Welcome back, everyone. Today's spotlight is on a project that's been flying under the radar but quietly making history. While the market fixates on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a handful of top altcoins, one cryptocurrency is outpacing them all in daily transactions, processing more than Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Dogecoin combined. Yet hardly anyone is talking about it. What if this same project not only offered groundbreaking scalability, but also carried the potential for a tenfold return? And what if a major catalyst, just days away, could shift the narrative entirely? That project is Kaspa, and in this breakdown, we'll uncover why many believe it's the most undervalued asset in crypto right now, what's coming next for its ecosystem, and the price scenarios that could unfold in the near future. One cryptocurrency is quietly outperforming some of the biggest names in the industry. It's processing more daily transactions than Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Dogecoin combined, yet most of the market isn't paying attention. What if this same project not only offered the foundation for mass adoption, but also carried the potential for a tenfold return? And what if a major catalyst, just days away, could accelerate that growth? This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investment decisions. Today's focus is Kaspa, a project many analysts consider one of the most undervalued in the market. By the end of this breakdown, the reasons behind that claim will become clear. To understand why Kaspa is drawing so much attention, consider this. On October 22, 2024, it processed 15.79 million transactions in a single day. For context, that's more than double the combined total of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Dogecoin. Kaspa achieved this at 1 block per second, but the network has since scaled to 10 blocks per second. In a landscape where many blockchains struggle with congestion and high fees, Kaspa is showing what scalable, next-generation technology actually looks like. The community is now turning its attention to broader adoption. Many are pushing for a listing on Crypto.com, and the call is simple. Kaspa doesn't just need exposure, it needs utility. With smart contracts and decentralized applications just around the corner, the project is about to open its doors to DeFi, marking a critical evolution in its ecosystem. That rollout, scheduled within 10 days, could redefine how investors view its value proposition. From a market perspective, Kaspa's path is compelling. It doesn't require a trillion-dollar valuation to justify significant growth. If Cardano, with slower technology and venture capital baggage, can hold nearly 1% market dominance, then Kaspa claiming a similar share is more overdue than ambitious. Analysts believe its fundamentals, technology, and growing community position it for entry into the top 10 cryptocurrencies, perhaps even higher. Targets vary, but the potential ranges from conservative projections of $1 per token, already a 10x return from current levels, to ambitious scenarios of $6, $14, or even a blow-off peak that could touch $100. While the higher numbers are speculative, the lower benchmarks are far more realistic given current adoption trends. In any case, the risk-reward balance is difficult to ignore. Several catalysts could accelerate this trajectory: Tier 1 exchange listings, DeFi adoption, geopolitical conditions, and central bank policy shifts. Total value locked metrics will soon provide tangible evidence of growth once Kaspa's DeFi ecosystem comes online. Meanwhile, influential voices in the crypto space are beginning to amplify the project, which adds weight to its visibility. On the technical side, recent price action shows Kaspa trading near $0.087, sitting on key support from the trendline and 200-day moving average. The chart reflects consolidation between $0.087 and $0.092, with resistance at $0.095 to $0.10. A breakout above $0.092 with volume could open the path to $0.105 and beyond. Conversely, a close below $0.084 would expose $0.080 with further downside risk near $0.075. Indicators remain mixed. MACD and momentum tools lean bearish, but funding rates suggest renewed bullish positioning among futures traders. This paints a picture of cautious optimism. where patience and risk management are key. One development worth highlighting is a new proposal aimed at strengthening Kaspa against quantum computing threats. By upgrading its wallet layer to conceal public keys until funds are spent, Kaspa would gain resilience against potential exploits enabled by Shor's algorithm, expected to challenge elliptic curve cryptography in the next decade. The proposal is backward compatible and requires no hard fork, showing forward-thinking innovation rarely seen in Layer 1 blockchains. Taken together, Kaspa's technical achievements, upcoming smart contracts, and forward-looking security measures make it a project positioned far beyond the meme hype many coins rely on. It's building for long-term adoption, scalability, and real utility. The next 10 days may prove pivotal, and if Kaspa delivers on its roadmap, the market will have no choice but to take notice. That wraps up today's deep dive into Kaspa. The numbers, the technology, and the roadmap all suggest this project is on the edge of something big. Whether it's smart contracts, Tier 1 listings, or the push toward DeFi, the next chapter could define Kaspa's place in the market. Thanks for watching. Like the video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and hit subscribe if you want more real-time updates, moves, market trends, and hidden gems.